In this video, I will show you how to use Docusign to sign documents. So if you have received an email like this, so the name of the person that has sent you a contract or document, and then via Docusign, and then it says send you a document to review and sign, then here's how you can sign this document. So first go ahead and click on review document. Now here you need to review and act on these documents, so please read the electronic record and signature disclosure. If you agree, click on I agree, then click on continue. And now here you have the document that has been sent to you. Now when you scroll down a bit, you will see somewhere that you need to sign. So this also has the date and your name, but this is filled in automatically. Now here click on sign. Now here it will make some signatures automatically based off your name. You can also draw your own signature right here, or you can upload your signature from your phone or PC or whatever. So I will upload a signature right now. So let's say this is my signature. Then go ahead and click on adopt and sign. So now as you can see, this has been signed and it says your signature right here. So then make sure that there's no other boxes that you need to fill in your signature, because there can be multiple ones, or there can also be some other stuff that they want from you. So make sure everything is filled in and then go ahead and click on finish. Now here you can save a copy of your document by creating an account, so it has your email. Then you just need to enter a password and country. You can also click on no thanks. And now you have finished signing. So now the person that has sent the document or contract to you will see that you have signed, and then the contract or document has been completed. So that's how to use Docusign to sign documents. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.